Hey, let's spend a couple of minutes talking about why you don't want to take a gun to any of these places in Washington. There's a big difference in Washington state between no firearms allowed and a gun-free zone. You see, a gun-free zone is an area that the state legislature has mandated by law that firearms cannot be located or possessed there, and a violation of that will actually result in criminal liability. Now, there are 3 statutes you need to be aware of. Under RCW 9.41.280, we cannot possess firearms on school grounds as well as other weapons including nunchucks, throwing stars, air guns, tasers, and stun guns. The only exception really being for temporary possession while we are either picking up or dropping the kids off. The same restrictions are found in RCW 9.41.282 for all child care facilities. Again, with the same exception when we're picking the kids up or dropping them off. Now, the big statute to be aware of also is RCW 9.41.300 because it has a laundry list of places that we are not allowed to possess firearms, including jails, courthouses, public mental health facilities, restricted areas of airports, and any place that the LCCB has designated as age 21 and over. So that's going to include our bars, our taverns, our cocktail lounges, and yes, our cannabis stores. Now, in the last couple of years, there have been several new restrictions passed upon you by your Washington State Legislature, including RCW 9.41.305, which now prohibits the open carry of firearms at any permitted demonstration or on the West Capitol grounds. But not to be outdone by last year's legislation, this year's legislative session also produced House Bill 1630, which will now, starting July 1st, prohibit the open carry and open possession of firearms at any building in which school boards are conducting business, any building in which election activities are being held or election offices are being housed, in any city or county or municipal building. Listen, for more thorough discussions about these topics, visit us over at YouTube. My name is William Kirk. I'm the president of Washington Gun Law, and you've been watching Bullet Points.